Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kisang phalang kenthop iki kenhun jongki khle nong sin charge nong ba pher na jila Meghalaya bat kenthop ru na ki kenhun ba pher hannen kasni ka shpotre ujamang kila lek pin sngo ya kasur ba persya ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill arajar khat rio ka batmu ban penlong nong shong no iki phet we red pa ba kenthop iki Hindu ki Sikh ki Buddhist ki Jain ki Parsi bat ki Kristan ki bawan nagari Afghanistan Bangladesh bat Pakistan ka Joint Parliamentary Committee on Citizenship Amendment Bill balakli do Rajendra Agarwal kum chairman kalawan yuk jat hanong ba Shillong nin gasngi ka spotre ujamang ban yo sngo wat man sngap ikasur jong ki pai ba nong shnong ka jila Meghalaya ayu kidan man kren halor kani ka bill bala tarwa ban penbet thamai da ka sarkar pedeng shwa ban yo ik jingmunjur hapo ka yeng dorbar thawan jong kari India kumbash photli kin hon ki ba mi khmat ya ki seng bat ki kin hon ba pher ki lali shimanta ka jinglang jong ka Joint Parliamentary Committee ban pen paw ka jing persha ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill arajar khan rio ka badang don ka jing pen khre ban pen long an ya ka bala ra ya tai da ka sarkar pedeng ha ka yeng dor ba thawan jong kari India ka Khasi Students Union ka balang ka wei nek seng phalang ba paw khmat ha ka jila ha ka ni ka sngi kala ra ru da ki plakat ban persya ek jingwan buhai shnong jogi petwer na kita gi lightly giri ha kani ke jela
nakaliang kajungi ngila submit nakajong kador khas hakaba ngila pelpau di daw kiba nakaliang kaseng persya ya kani ka bill ban menteri kam ti kadaw tanrahi kaba kung kaseng hi kala yeng kamat kumsan menteri kam ng kaseng di ban persya di influx ke jingwan rum bertak ki mendiar ngisutu syai bala da kani ka bill menteri kam hapo kari India kamut Jalan Meghalaya berkat berkat setai lam ini dan setajur hidup kata-kata hakaba try belum yang sakal lagi repan kemengitip ini tentang lailak apa saya buat tentang apa Bangladesh ki Hindu kadang lupa lagi kurur di ya kan ikaan kaba lathun pentrikam aku penyedai penyat dan baju ka niam di persya nama kalian gajungi ladu di Muslim ladu Hindu ladu Banabar hidup Banabar, Bangladeshi hidup Bangladeshi. Kerja keren kejungi berkiru, mulai keren baik. Napa ni baik jaga mat kejungi baik. Ada kalau sepuluh kumnuru, ngit persya baik. Orang yang kena bil bahkan nam terikam angin Pori India. Kita kata ini juga keren juga.
Jauh kiba ni persya ni kong kalau ba UI balada kani ke bil ke kelaan dan ni lada ke parlimen ke penterikam yang kena bil. Ni kum ga jep rương sa suja klep no na la jong ka chaka bot ngin sa telep no hakani kum sauba kabanwan tila da kani gabil kan trikam kan kum sauba kan pentroin sudan ya ka jep rương jongin takadaw ni la ong bangi persya ya kani gabil bot kanom horkit ordan kani gabil kanom di trikam sakui pat bile bot suku syai bakalom ba ide bersuatu cai bak jinglong niam kamde ki ke belong permanent mentau de muslim ada kwa belong nong India ukala Hindu nda layo long nong India pun ukala muslim ki kala kan ju Kristan kala kan ju Jain kala kan ju Buddhism ti ladangin classify yu bru da open da ka bai nong nong bakin long nong India ya unu bru ka bomut ba kan sudai tang katrap ka ba nong yarap ya kari India hi hoi ti ngikerpat ya ka GPC ban ngikerpat ya borok KMP jong kari India bat kham tam KMP jong ka jalal jong bagi ni banyak site doyap doim kenang bakani gabil kanam la bantrikam dalil.
Well, we make our mind known to the JPC that we are not for this bill, we are against this bill on so many counts that the northeastern region has taken the burden of 1971 liberation war of Bangladesh, in which many people, lakhs of people from Bangladesh, they've crossed over to the northeastern region, in which different accords were also signed that before 1971 they'll be accepted as Indian citizen, but beyond 1971 we make known to them that we could not take the burden anymore, and we want the GPC to recommend to the Lok Sabha, to the central government, that this bill should not be passed as it will affect the minuscule people of the indigenous people of the northeastern region. And we hope that this GPC will take all these facts into consideration, and also it will give a report that will do justice to the indigenous people of the northeastern region.
We had placed before the JPC that the mindset of the government of India, that is the political injustice and economic exploitation towards the people of Northeast, it is not at all tolerable, acceptable, and for that we are rejecting this bill, we are opposing this bill, because Northeast is not a dumping ground for illegal Bangladeshis. Here all the states, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, then Arunachal Pradesh, then Tripura, Manipur, Assam, we are all facing. It's a threat to the identity of the indigenous people of Northeastern region. We have seen fate in Tripura. We have said to the JPC, the Kokborok is the mother language of the indigenous Tripuris. Now Kokborok is the second language in Tripura. This is a grassroots reality in Tripura. So in Meghalaya you have seen the fate. In Assam we have seen the fate. In Manipur, in Arunachal Pradesh, the Sakma problem is there. So Assam, Northeast is not a dumping ground for illegal Bangladeshis. So accords were signed. In Manipur, accord was signed. In Assam, accord was signed. So it was a national commitment. In that accord, it was said that those who have entered up to 71, he may be Hindu, he may be Muslim, they can stay here. But beyond that, Hindus and Muslims, they must be deported. And during that time, it was said considering the international protocols, humanitarian consideration, the accord was signed. So we have shown our heart. We cannot take more load. So we have said that beyond 71, we cannot take load of illegal Hindu Bangladeshis or Muslim Bangladeshis in our region. Because illegal Bangladeshis are entering through Tripura, through Assam, to other parts of the northeastern region. So we cannot take load. So on the other hand, we have said there are some instances, like the Supreme Court of India during the scrapping of IMDT Act had said, due to large-scale influx of foreigners from Bangladesh, there is external aggression and internal disturbance in this region. External aggression is there, but government is keeping mum, and now they are trying to impose more Bangladeshis in our region. How we can accept? Supreme Court had said it's an external aggression due to large-scale influx of illegal Bangladeshis. Second, the Guwahati High Court has said the Bangladeshis became the kingmaker. How we can accept the illegal Bangladeshis here? And the figures, we have highlighted the figures. The Congress-led UPA government has said throughout India 1.20 crores Bangladeshis are there. Out of that, 57 lakhs are there in West Bengal, 50 lakhs are there in Assam. And the present government has said, the NDA government has said 2 crores Bangladeshis are there in India. So definitely the number is increasing in Northeast region. How we can take load? We cannot take load. And see, the whole Democratic Platform has said, we have some constitutional provisions like 6 schedules, like tribal belts and blocks. It is all enclosed by illegal Bangladeshis, so we cannot accept more load. We cannot take load of illegal Bangladeshis beyond 71. So we are very clear on our submission with logics, with facts and figures. And JPC had appreciated our submission. They have said yes, there is a genuine problem. So we have said, because we are appreciating, so don't put more illegal Bangladeshis load on northeastern region. We don't accept. We are opposing this bill.
We cannot create food banks out of these migrants. Let us create food banks amongst the indigenous people. I think that is a true spirit that we need to learn. And Tripura, we are your lesson to be learned. And now we will give a befitting also. We will fight what the laws are there in India. What are the laws are there in India? We also wrote in the memorandum, the Parliament of India, the Supreme Court of India, the highest board of India have failed to protect the people of indigenous people. And if the merger agreement is so much to bring the Prince State in the domain of India, what have you protected us? Before 1949, we were Prince State, and we only marched 1949 in October. What have you given us? You have brought all the migrants from Bangladesh, and now you are trying to bulldoze us again by bringing this act. Does it benefit us? Is this a blessing that our people hope, for us hope, the blessing that we get from India?
Nakaliang Rajendra Agarwal, Ubalong Chairman, Jongka Joint Parliamentary Committee on Citizenship Amendment Bill, Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor, Hadian Kajingalang Baki Kunhun, Paper, Ula Ong Bak Committee Kamla, Banshimi Kanuhunu Garai, Henry Yaka Kai Pot Jimbutsko, Kabami, Nakisang Halang, but Kikunhun, Paper, Halor Kanika Bill, Committee, Kansa IT, Shakasor Padeng.
They were with the committee, before the committee, they expressed themselves, and the committee listened to them carefully. With details, they said their views, and committee will take care of their views, their concerns. For that reason alone committee is here. These committee proceedings are confidential now. It can't be said now. Committee will take care of every view with serious, utter seriousness. It can think of going to other places also, but Guwahati is capital, Shillong is another former capital of Assam, that is of northeast rather. We thought that in Shillong we will meet so many people from different districts also, and if the need be, we can think on that also.